Now, one stock on my portfolio has generated me 6 figures, and I want to talk to you about that stock and how I generated 6 figures from that particular stock in my stock market portfolio. Now, you will know that on today's channel, I've discussed quite a number of things as to how can you invest into the stock market, how do you pick your broker, and how do you pick stocks to invest in. I've also covered topics like when do you sell your shares or your stocks, which obviously I've discussed that, but on today's video I just want to show you some of my success story, or one of my success stories where I generated 6 figures in one of the stocks in my portfolio. Now, before we dig deep into this video, all I'm saying here are just my opinions. This is not professional financial advice. What you do with your money, it's up to you. If you want professional financial advice, you need to go and consult the professionals. And the second thing is that these 6 figures that I will be telling you about, or that I'll be revealing to you, that I generated onto one of my stocks in my portfolio, it is converted into the South African rand, because this channel is more about investing into stocks for South Africa. So in the US dollars, this stock, it made me a couple of $1,000s, but when you convert those $1,000 in South Africa, it's 6 figures, which will be do the conversion rate together and generate exactly how much this stock has given me. So like this video, subscribe if you like the content that I continue giving you on this channel, which obviously I try to do it as often as possible to give you the content about investing in the stock market. Stock market is a place where you can make money. There is money to be made, ladies and gents, and me giving you or telling you about this stock is just to show you that indeed you can make money into the stock market. It's not about bragging, it's not about all that, but it's just to show you some of the returns that I've seen in some stocks recently in my portfolio, right? Which I think will work perfectly, because in the previous week, I've been telling you how to invest, what to look out for, how to pick up your stocks, and even how to sell your shares, which is very, very important. So without wasting any more of your time, the stock that has generated me 6 figures is a stock, or it's a US stock called SoFi Technologies. Many of you that have seen my old channel, that know me from my other channel, you know that SoFi Technologies is one of the stocks that I used to talk a lot about onto that channel before I made it a channel that I'm talking about one stock, which I think that stock will generate me tons and tons of money. SoFi used to be that other stock that I will talk a lot about onto that channel, because this is a stock that I always believed that it had a potential to generate me some good money, right? Which in this case, it generated me 6 figures, right? I mean, as soon as you notice that in the last year, SoFi Technology or SoFi stock has went up 106%, meaning that had you invested into SoFi in January of last year, right now you would be sitting at 106%, which means, in other words, you would have doubled the money that you put onto SoFi into January. In the last 2 years, SoFi Technology, if you bought SoFi 2 years ago in January, you would be sitting at 183% of good returns onto SoFi, which is something that obviously shows that, yeah, this stock is really, really printing money to those that are investing onto the stock. Now, personally, onto this stock, as seen on the screen, you notice that SoFi Technologies, at the time where I took this screenshot, it had doubled my money. I went up 100%, representing $6,000, which is something that was very, very good to see, this kind of gains onto this one stock. I mean, when you convert, go to Google right now, current exchange rate, $6,000 is equivalent to around 113,244 rand. So these are the 6 figures that the stock gave me. So yeah, like I said, someone maybe that invested the same time as me or was doing the same thing that I was doing, if they put 50,000, they would be sitting at 100,000. The fact that I saw 100% of growth onto SoFi Technologies, it simply means that I put 113,000 and now I got another 130,000. That's what it means, or that's what I made onto SoFi Technologies, which is something that is great. Something that when I got to see this, I was like, maybe I should give you or show to you these gains, which is something that I don't usually do. Even on my other channel, I don't usually show my stocks or show my portfolio and all that, because I believe that such information is sensitive. But because this is a new channel and I've been telling you how to invest into stocks, I thought maybe I come and show you one stock that of course has done the most for me recently and generated me some good amount of cash. I don't own this stock anymore. The moment I got to 100%, I decided to sell everything because like I told you, you know that I think 2-3 days ago I did a video on this channel where I was telling you when do you sell a stock, and one of the reasons why you sell a stock is when you have reached your goal or when you have reached your target. And me, my target was obviously once I get to 100%, I'm selling everything, and that's exactly what I did onto SoFi Technology. So I am happy, man. I am excited. I mean, there is money to be made onto the stock market, and those of you that are patient enough, those of you that are trying to analyze the stocks, remember I showed you, or I did a video like I said, on how to pick a stock. This is one of the stocks based on my analysis. I saw its potential and I went in and I put money, and it generated me this 113,000 rand, which is so good, man. These are good gains, man. And yeah, I'm going to continue seeing more opportunities, looking for more opportunities. In fact, I've got quite a number of stocks in my portfolio where I've already distributed the money to, because I am looking for the next SoFi, or I am currently hunting for more opportunities. Yes, there are stocks that I have on my portfolio which are on a red. In fact, my top holding or my biggest holding stock onto my portfolio, it's on a red right now, but I'm going to continue loading because I know one day it is going to generate me some good cash. It's going to generate me some good money. So I invest in the stock market simply because I want to generate money, and these are some of the things that makes me to be really excited, seeing myself generating this good cash onto a stock. SoFi Technologies, like I said, in the last year it's up, or last 52 weeks it's up 100%, whilst in the last 2 years it's up 183%. Those that used to follow me on my other channel, or that know my other channel, you will know that, like I said, SoFi Technologies was on my radar. I was always talking about it to say that this is a stock which is expected to do very well. I mean, when they turn profitability, I was on the stock, and seeing them where they are today, I mean, it's something that is pretty good. I mean, as I'm doing this video right now, SoFi Technologies is up 2% at almost at $16, and I don't regret why I sold my shares, because like I said, my target was reached, my objective onto SoFi got fulfilled, and therefore I decided to sell everything. So I am happy, I am excited. Those of you that have been investing onto the stock market, what are some of your wins? Because these are some of the things that makes you to continue investing, or that makes you go on investing onto the stock market. There is money to be made, and me, I'm one person that when I'm investing into the stock market, I'm looking for potential. I am quite an aggressive investor, meaning that I don't like playing it that safe. In fact, I'll be open with you, I don't invest much onto ETFs, index funds, because I'm a bit aggressive when it comes to investing into stocks. I'm investing into the stock market to make money, and I'm targeting growth stocks, or my primary objective is to target growth stocks that can generate me good cash. I have companies or stocks that pay me dividends, even locally. I've got companies like ShopRite, companies like obviously Sun International, who these companies, but time and again they'll give me good dividends, but I invest more into growth stocks, which is something that obviously that's why I put most of my money. So yeah, man, just thought I'd give you this quick video. Tell me what you think about this, and share with me some of the stocks that are generating you good money, or that have generated you good money. Me, SoFi, will forever be that stock that has generated me good cash, and I'm hoping that I get to generate more good returns. I mean, I will tell you, there are quite a number of stocks that have generated me some good monies, and SoFi, because it's a recent thing, or this is a recent stock that generated me some good cash, I thought I'd come and share it with you. Tell me what you think. I'll see you on my next video, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, because I try to give you as much content as possible onto this channel, trying to give you the latest developments on some of the most popular stocks in SA. Remember, this channel, I don't talk a lot about US stocks, because there's already a channel that I'm doing that, or I'm talking about US market, right? But this channel here, it's just about local companies, and with that I thought I give you, or I come and share this. Though this is a US stock or a US company, I thought I'd come and share this because I want to show you that there is money to be made in the stock market, and those that obviously are serious about making money, they will make money. Stock market is not a place where you make money overnight, but with time or in the long term, if you pick the right stocks, you will most definitely make money. So that's all from me. I'll see you in my next video, and God bless you all.